So now I'm gonna show you something. Here you are in Zócalo, the main square that I told you about. I think I made a, let me see. Yeah, so this is National Palace, again, the place where the president works. Here is the cathedral, okay? Now, on this side, I don't know if you see it. This is a whole street that it's walkable. There are no cars in this area. And you walk all of this, lots of stores, Forever 21, Levi's, restaurants, jewelries, walkable, nice place to walk. If you walk all of this, I'm gonna go as fast as I can. It's all straight, okay? All straight. All straight. You're gonna get to this building, which is Torre Latinoamericana, which is like a sky deck. I'm gonna show it to you. Torre Latinoamericana is this building, okay? So this is how you got here. And Palacio de Bellas Artes, which is another landmark of Mexico City. This is a small park, but it's pretty nice. Okay, so this is the same street. Okay, it's walkable distance. And here there's a restaurant which is called Sanborns. I think this is one of the ones that I wrote on the list that I sent you. Sanborns de los Azulejos. Nice place. I like it a lot. It's kind of iconic. It's like the first Sanborns that was established in Mexico. I like it. It's not expensive. You can see a mini zoo here. I don't know if you know that place. There's a restaurant at the top of this place, and there's a sky deck. I mean, like you can see the view of the city over here, in case that it's not really foggy or it's not raining. But this is something that I bet you would like to see. And Palacio de Bellas Artes is this one. Okay. Over here you are going to find, of course, some metro stations. Subway stations. We are here. Okay, we are here. And you can walk until this subway to take the subway back here to Rio Pánuco, which is somewhere over here. Okay. Oh, sorry, somewhere over here. Somewhere over here, because here it's the Diana Cazadora, so it's somewhere over here. Okay, so I think those are some of the places that you would like to visit. So far, I don't know if you have a question or something. Oh, and about Castillo de Chapultepec. This is how the place looks like. Jeez. Okay, so this is the place. You can visit this place. This is how the whole area looks like. It's walkable. It's kind of tiring at some point, but it's walkable. Okay. Prices, I couldn't say how much the entrance of this place is, but it's very cheap. I mean, like it's very cheap. Don't worry about that. Okay. And as far as I know, there are some discounts for students, so you can also take your ID, student ID from the school where you are, and you might have a discount over there. Okay, so this is Castillo de Chapultepec, and there's a zoo in this area as well. Okay, there's a zoo, so you can also visit that place. And I'm gonna show you. Oh, where is it? Ah, this is this museum, the one that I told you that it's not possible to do it in one day. This one, Museo Nacional de Antropología, is this one. I mean, it's pretty nice, but there's no way you can make it in one day. However, you can take a look and see it. Like, it's beautiful, that's for sure. And it's a lot about the pre-Hispanic cultures in Mexico and things like that. It's pretty interesting, but as I said, like, maybe you're not gonna be able to make it in just one day. Okay, so that's it.